All right, so first things first, before I get the electric hooked up, I'm going to hook up a hose to the outlet of the polyethylene pipe coming from the well pump. So you can see I have a little bit of the black exposed here. I did that on purpose when I cut the tube back a while ago. Reason being, that's going to allow me to install stainless steel barbed fitting. So I'm going to do that now. First thing you do is you put 2 worm gear clamps opposite direction on there, installing them like that. So you tighten one on this side, tighten one on the other side. So here's my barbed fitting. You'll notice it doesn't go in there. So what I gotta do is I gotta heat the polyethylene black well pipe up with some heat to soften it, and that'll allow me to push this in, and then I'll tighten it down with the clamps. Okay, there we go. Now what that's going to allow me to do is I don't want the water to shoot out here while I have the electrical hooked up and the generator right next to this. So I'm going to hook up now another fitting that connects to a garden hose and run that garden hose over into the woods. I actually found this garden hose and the garden hose reel sitting outside of a dumpster at a local CVS. So I like being frugal when I can be. All right, let's get back to the wiring.